Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to restore Shopify store. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So after connecting to your Shopify store, you will need just to go to the themes or your online store so you can start restoring it. So basically to restore the Shopify store, all you need to do is to go and start restoring and resetting your themes. So basically, if you have been choosing some new themes and you want to go to the older one, simply you will need just to change the theme. So here I have my theme library. You will find it here in the online store menu, which is the themes. After that, all you need to do is simply to click publish. Now we can start viewing our store and we will see uh, the current store or the current theme, and then we will go and publish the new one. So here I'm going just to click on publish and publish it. And now if we go to view store, we will see the new theme that will be added. So as you can see, this is our new store. So basically, you can do that for as many themes that you have, or if you want to reset or restore the same theme that you are in. So basically, you want to go to an older version on the same theme. For example, here, I'm just going to go back to the older one. And from here, all you need to do is just to edit the code. So from here, you can start restoring the versions of the current theme. So here, I'm going to edit code. And if I go here, we will find some version controlling. So here in the theme liquid, we can see here recent changes. And that means you can control your versions. So if I go to the original one, it will go to the first version of the theme, which means the initial version. And if you want to go to some modification that you had, you can go to any version that you would like, and that would start restore your store. So basically, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.